How's everybody doing today? It's Craig here again. What you're looking at is a Craftsman mini cultivator 4-cycle. Come into my shop, customer complaint, won't run. Stated it had been sitting for a while, so pulled the gas tank off, looked at the gas, and it was old shellacked up gasoline, a lot of sediment in the bottom of it. So I pulled the carburetor off of it, took the carburetor apart already, and I'll show you what I found. Here's the carb, little wall bro. There we go. Look at that. That's what happens when you leave gasoline set in your 2-cycle power equipment for long periods of time. The ethanol in the gas attracts water. The gasoline evaporates away, leaves the water behind. Eventually the water will evaporate, but not before it rusts everything up. Destroys the carburetor. Fix for this is a new carburetor. So there's your tip for the day. Do not leave gasoline, especially if it's ethanol based gas, in your power equipment for long periods of time. Drain it out, start it, run your fuel system dry. When it dies, choke it, try to start it 3 or 4 more times just to make sure all the gas is out of the system. That'll prevent this from happening. Hope somebody learned something. Catch y'all in the next one.